This is a how-to video on how to make your own fireworks. What I've done here is taken apart a lighter. Very simply, just took apart the little scroll bar thing. So we took that off, and underneath is going to be a spring that's pushing this flint right here upwards so that it presses against this and creates a spark when you roll it. All you gotta do is take that apart, stretch this little spring out, and it's homemade fireworks. What I'm gonna do now is wrap this spring around the flint so that it holds it. And I don't do this every single day, so might take a try or two. Alright, that looks like a pretty tight fit. Okay, so now that I've got this in here pretty tightly, oh, well, I need a lighter. I'm going to take our lighter, start to heat it up. After I heat it up, it's going to turn a bright red color. That's what you're looking for. Alright, it's starting to turn now. You see it?
Pull the flame away. Pull it away.
Alright. Now once I throw it down, it's going to be homemade fireworks. Get it over here, Kyle. Homemade fireworks. And that is a how-to video with a lighter, a big lighter like this, very simple. Get like 100 of them together and see what you can do. Submit your videos. Post your comments. I'm going to send a video. Done data.